Welcome back, everybody, and today is day number 10 of the vlog. So I'm really excited about today. We got a little visitor in the house back here. We're dog sitting for somebody, and I'll show you more right after this. Alright guys, so in case you guys ever wonder, like I get all these parts and I put them on these machines and where they come from, I do that. I also order all the parts for all the equipment that's broken, so if you do go to our gym and you got problems with it, you can just let me know, and if it's a serious concern, then I'll definitely get it handled. If not, I'll consider it and see what we can do about it. But that's just business, and we're going to talk about this bulldog that's staying over right now. So you guys want to meet, what's the dog's name? Puma. That's it. You guys want to meet Puma? I'll show you guys.
Hey everybody, this is Puma.
So typically what I do when I'm ordering parts is like throughout the week I just take pictures of equipment's different, like item numbers and stuff like that, and I already know what's going on with it, but then I come home and I punch that information into the computer and look up the different parts it's going to take to fix it and then pile it up. And I do that in the mornings on Friday just in case I see something by Friday night. And then when I get home, if I had seen something, I add it to the list. And if I hadn't, then I just go ahead and push send on the order and it goes through. So that's typically how I do with ordering parts. It takes a little while to look everything up, so I'm going to just time lapse this. Alright, bye little girls. Guys have a good day. Alright you guys, I just got those parts looked up and saved on the computer, so they'll be ready to go for tonight. I already loaded my lunchbox and everything in the van, so now all I gotta do is get on the road, so let's go. Alright, back to changing another light bulb, you guys. The gym at Lady's location was supposedly had a bad toilet, and I didn't see any issues with it, so we're not going to be replacing that toilet seat, but the light was out in here, so I went ahead and drove back down to second loop where I had a bag of them, and brought back 2 of the lights so they'd have 1 spare, and then I'm going to change this one right above my head, right there. Yep. Woo! How about that for fantastic? Alright guys, I just got done with second loop heating up my food. Took care of ladies this morning. That's knocked out. Now I'm going to go by Palmetto Street Gym and get them to get that safety squat bar pad that I actually want replicated. Take it to the upholstery shop. So let's see if they can do that. So. Alright you guys, I just showed up to Mike's Upholstery, and they're going to try to get that safety squat bar cushion refabricated for me, so that's going to be a good project. I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. We're going to get 5 of those made and get them scattered across the gym, so as soon as they get done, like looking at the first one and kind of recreating it, I'm going to swing by and pick up the old pad, and then here in the next week or so they're gonna have it finished, probably all the rest of them finished for me, so that's a win-win. Let's carry on down the road. I gotta go to Bethune, which is still a good hour away from here, and change out that toilet seat, so let's keep it moving. Alright guys, I am here at Bethune, and I got a couple things I need to get. This toilet seat, obviously I do need to get the toilet seat. Let's see what it takes to screw this down. Looks like this pops through and that screws into it and expands open, I guess. Yeah, that's what happens. The nut on the back is not threading off, it's kind of stuck there. So what I'm having to do is snap it off. It's pretty funny when you have to wash your hands to grab the camera to videotape yourself washing your hands. Alright, so that wraps it up for my day. It's pretty much 4 o'clock. I got like an hour and a half drive home, and I'm going to enjoy the hell out of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me work today and gain some kind of knowledge from it. And if you're liking my content and you want to see more of what I'm doing, please hit the like, follow, subscribe button down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.